What's up to all my thriftinistas, my frugalistas, and my cheaperistas? It's your girl Goddess Arami, and we're back with another Thrift Flipped Fashionably. So I did all of that filming and accidentally deleted my intro and my outro. How that happened, I don't know. So welcome to my bed. And I have my favorite candy. So I went on to Fashion Nova and I saw this really cute jacket that I just loved so much. It was so adorable. I will insert a picture here or somewhere on this screen for you to see. I love the jacket, but the price. Y'all, the jacket $57.99. $57. No, ma'am. Ain't doing it. But I just knew that I wasn't about to pay that much for it. So I thought, why not do another episode of Thrift Flipped Fashionably? But I found a sweater. And I had this vest already. Actually, the sweater that I'm using was in my last thrift haul. And I had a vest from an old thrift haul video from when I was in Florida. And I just took the two of those. And I'm going to show you what I did to make this jacket. And it was so easy to do. It really only took me maybe 20 minutes. It probably took me longer than that because I was being lazy. But whatever. Just stay tuned so you can see how I did it, how you can do it, how you can put this together for yourself. You don't have to smell your coin on Fashion Nova. Like, shout out to Fashion Nova, but baby, anything you can do, I can do. Maybe not better, but I can do it too. So y'all stay tuned. Before you do anything, like this video, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and share. Comment down below what you think. Okay? Just let me know. Go ahead and watch. I'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, so first things first, you'll need a vest. And you'll also need a sweater. What you're gonna do is open that vest up and just put that sweater inside the vest. Get it lined up, all perfect the way you need it to be. Look, it's already cute, isn't it? Here you are going to mark under the lining of the vest where you want the sleeves to add up. Take that sweater out of that vest. Cut off the sleeves. Cut. Just cut off those sleeves. Easy peasy. You'll need thread. You'll need pins. You need a pin cushion and some needles. Go ahead and lay that vest out and put that sleeve in there, right sides together. Okay? Right sides together. Take those pins and you are going to pin the sleeve of the sweater to the inside of that vest. Now here I'm just making sure that it is not falling through. I'm making sure that it is pinned correctly and that it's not pinned to the other side of the sleeve. If that makes any sense whatsoever. And as you can see, I have it pinned all the way around. Now, from here, we are going to grab a needle and our thread. And we are going to sew. Now, the stitch that I am doing is called an invisible stitch, which is a real live professional stitch that I just so happened to butcher during this project. But whatever, we're going to do it. So the invisible stitch works in this manner. in the material that you do not want to see the stitching on the outside, you will grab very, very, very small threads of that material, as you can see here, and then you will go back up into the other material and grab a lot of that material. Again, very, very small threads of the material that you don't want it to be seen through, and then a lot of the other material, and it's going to keep it connected together. Now, I probably should have done way, way, way smaller stitches, but I didn't, because this is my jacket. But if you do it, you might want to do smaller stitches. I probably will have to go back and do different stitches, some smaller ones, if I ever want to put this in the washer without it falling apart. Okay? Be advised, don't do huge stitches. But for the sake of this video, huge stitches, it is. Very small amount of threads here on the bottom material on the jean. And then we're going to go and grab a lot from the sweater. Now, when I'm grabbing from the sweater, I'm not going through the jean. I'm only going through the sweater. Jean and then sweater, but never both at the same time. Make sense? Cool beans. And look, we got a jacket. Okay, so now in the picture you can see that a lot of the jacket has some distressing going on, which this part to me is very, very optional. So I decided at the last minute, after I had already taken pictures and I already did the end of this video, that I wanted to do some distressing. So that's what I did. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a lot of videos on how to distress jeans and jean material. So I'm not going to explain it. I'm just going to let you hear what I'm doing for a little bit. And then we're going to go ahead and close out this video. Okay? See you on the flip side, shawty. Okay, y'all, so it's just as simple as that. That's it. That's the end of the video. That's all we got to do. It's just as simple as that. Take the sleeves off of a sweater, sew it to a vest, and you gotta chill with me jacket, like from Fashion Nova. And I swear to God, it looks just like it, okay? I'm in love. I'm gonna wear it. I'm gonna wear it outside. I'm gonna wear it all over the place. And I'm just saying, it look damn near close. Listen. Like I said before, go ahead and like and subscribe. And go ahead and comment and let me know what you think, okay? If you hit that notification bell, you will see the next video where I do another Thrift Flipped Fashionably. And they're gonna keep coming, okay? Because I done seen so much stuff, I'm like, I can make that myself. Follow me on social media, on Instagram, on Twitter. Follow me on Snapchat. All that being said, thank you for watching. Until next time, never buy new.